guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video sticker effect on CapCut PC. So just select your video and add it to your track. Select mask and select the circle and just adjust the circle a little bit. You also want to make sure you have the size down. So this is 459 by 456. I'm actually going to just make the size the same so I don't forget. 459 by 459. Then I'm going to go to library and I'm going to add in this white stock video. And I'm going to select circle and I'm going to have the size the same. 459 by 459. And as you can see, I think it looks smaller, but you can definitely adjust the size later on, like here. So maybe you don't have to find the exact size. As you can see, go back to mask. Oh, I did it 439 instead. No wonder it looked a little bit wonky. But once you're done, you're just going to select both the video and the background. Right click, create compound clip. And here you can add in like a canvas if you'd like to. For instance, like this one. And you can even add in a sticker texture. So like just find textures on like Google, like paper textures or whatnot, and put it on top of the video and select like a blend mode for it. You can like use it maybe before you use the compound clip, or just go to mask and select the circle button once again and just kind of adjust it to the video. Maybe use like the soft light one. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!